Good morning, students. God bless you. Welcome to 9th standard maths class. The last class we have discussed synthetic division method from division of polynomials. Okay, in this class we are going to see about factorization using synthetic division. Okay. Now factorize the polynomial. Exercise 3.8. The first question, factorize each of the following polynomials using synthetic division. Okay. The polynomial is the first subdivision x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. Okay. This is your given polynomial. Listen carefully. First substitute x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 in polynomial. Take and write the given polynomial in p of x. P of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. Okay, this is your first step. The given polynomial, let's consider p of x. Okay, now put x is equal to 1. So p of 1 equal to 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square 10 into 1 plus 24. X replacing by 1. So p of 1 is equal to 1 cube value is 1 minus 3 into 1 square is 1 minus into plus minus 10 ones are 10 plus 24. Okay. Then p of 1 equal to 1 minus into plus minus 3 ones are 3 minus 10 plus 24. P of 1 equal to 1 plus 24 is 25. 3 plus 10 is minus 13 because like sign. Okay. Then p of 1 is equal to, finally we get 12. So this is for not equal to 0. Therefore x minus 1 is not a factor. First find out the factor of polynomial. Okay. We have to search for different value of x by trial and error method. Okay. Here using the trial and error method. Next, put x is equal to minus 1. Okay. So p of minus 1 equal to, this is a given p of x. Okay. Substitute the p of minus 1. So p of minus 1 the whole cube as x cube minus 3 into minus 1 the whole square minus 10 into minus 1 plus 24. Okay. Then minus power odd number is minus, 1 cube is 1. Then minus 3 into minus power even number is plus, 1 ones are 1. Minus into minus plus, 10 ones are 10 plus 24. Okay, which is equal to minus 1 minus into plus minus, 3 ones are 3. Then plus 10 plus 24 totally plus 34, which is equal to, this is minus 4. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 plus 34. And subtract this two value, we get 34 minus 4 is 30. Okay, this is for p of minus 1. So this is also not equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 is not a factor. Not a factor of p of x. I understood. So once again making the trial and error method. Next put x is equal to 2. So p of 2 is equal to 2 cube because x cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 10 into 2 plus 24. Okay, it is equal to 2 cube value is 8 minus 3 into 2 square is 4 minus plus into minus minus 10 2s are 20 plus 24. It is equal to 8 minus into plus minus 3 4s are 12 minus 20 plus 24 is plus 4. Okay, it is equal to 8 plus 4 is 12. This is minus 12, which is equal to 0. So p of 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 2 is a factor of p of x. Now we get the factor. Okay, one of the factor. But the given question is a cubic polynomial. So you want to find the 3 factors. Okay. Next, using the synthetic division method. Using synthetic division method. Okay. So synthetic division method. Before you find the zeros of polynomial. The zeros of polynomial is x is equal to 2 because x minus 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 2. Next, use the synthetic division method. So write the coefficient of the variable. X cube coefficient is 1, x squared coefficient is minus 3, x coefficient is minus 10, and constant is 24. Okay, the L-safe division is a synthetic division, already told. Okay, so the x value is 2, the initial value is 0, this is already known. 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 ones are 2, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, plus into minus, minus 2 ones are 2, totally minus 10 minus 2 minus 12, plus into minus, minus 2 12s are 24. So the remainder is 0, the quotient. Okay, here the p of x means the given value, the given polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24 equal to the factor x minus 2 is one of the factor. Then write the quotient of the polynomial. This is a quotient. So 1 into the cubic polynomial. So start write the square quadratic polynomial. 1 into x square minus 1 into x minus 12. Okay, have you understood this step? Okay, this is a given polynomial. This is the one of the factor of polynomial. Then this is quotient of the polynomial. Okay, have to find out the factors, 3 factors, because cubic polynomial. Okay, so x minus 2 into, here using the factorization. Okay, the square x squared coefficient is 1 and constant, so plus into minus, minus 1 12s are 12, then the middle value is minus 1. Okay, so 3 4s are 12 and the greater value get minus, we get minus 1, plus into minus, minus 3 4s are 12, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, then coefficient of x is 1. Okay, therefore x plus 3, this is x plus 3, then this is for x minus 4. Okay, therefore finally x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24 is equal to order. So x minus 4, the minus value is first, then x minus 2, then x plus 3. That's all. Okay, therefore these 3's are factor of given polynomial. Okay, have you understood? Okay. Okay, listen. The second question is your homework. The third subdivision. Okay, this is minus 7x plus 3 plus 4x cube. Okay, rewrite the polynomial. Let p of x equal to 4x cube. Write in the descending order. 4x cube plus x squared is not be given, so 0x square. X value is given, so minus 7x. Then constant plus 3. This is a given polynomial. Okay, next do the trial and error method. Put x is equal to 1, so p of 1 equal to 4 into 1 cube plus 0 into 1 square minus 7 into 1 plus 3. Okay, it is equal to 4 into 1 cube value is 1 plus 0 into the value is 0 minus into plus minus 1 7s are 7 plus 3. Okay, 4 1s are 4 minus 7 plus 3. Okay, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So p of 1 0, therefore x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. The p of x is a given polynomial. Okay, then using synthetic division method. Using synthetic division method. Okay, write the coefficient of the polynomial. X cube coefficient is 4, x squared coefficient is 0, x coefficient minus 7, and the constant is 3. Okay, and the divisor is 1. Okay, then 0, the initial value. 4 plus 0 is 4, 1 4s are 4, 0 plus 4 is 4, 1 4s are 4, then minus 3, minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3, plus into minus minus, 1 3s are 3, minus 3. The remainder is 0. Okay, then finally the given polynomial is 4x cube plus 0x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to the first factor. The first factor is x minus 1. Then the quotient. This is the quotient. So 4x square, because x cube is the given polynomial. So reduced to 1 degree square. So 4x square plus 4x minus 3. Okay, that's all. Next step, x minus 1 into, okay, find the factors of the quadratic polynomial. Plus into minus minus, 4 3s are 12. Okay, then the middle of the value is 4. Okay, 2 6 are 12 and also minus 2. Plus into minus into plus minus, 2 6 are 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. Then coefficient of x squared is 4. So divide the coefficient of x square. This is 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Therefore here 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 3. Okay, that's all the factors. This is 4x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to x minus 1, 2x minus 1, 2x plus 3. That's all the factors of given polynomial. Have you understood? Okay. Okay, next for the subdivision, the solution, let p of x is equal to x cube plus x square minus 14x minus 24. Okay, then put x is equal to 1. The p of 1 is equal to 1 cube plus 1 square minus 14 into 1 minus 24. Okay, so p of 1 is equal to 1 cube is 1 plus 1 squared is 1 minus minus into plus minus, 1 14s are 14 minus 24. P of 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 14 minus 24, totally minus 36. So p of 1 is equal to 2 minus 36 is minus 34. Okay, this is not equal to 0. Therefore x minus 1 is not a factor. This is not a factor because not equal to 0 we get. Okay, then x is equal to minus 1. So p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 the whole cube plus minus 1 the whole square, 14 minus 14 into minus 1 minus 24. Okay, p of minus 1 equal to minus power odd number is minus, 1 cube is 1 plus minus power even number is plus, 1 squared is 1 minus into minus plus, 14 ones are 14 minus 24. Okay, p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 minus 24, totally minus 25, 1 plus 14 is 15. Okay, so p of minus 1 is equal to 25 minus 25 plus 15 is minus 10. Okay, this is also not equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 is not a factor. Okay, then x is equal to 2. Would p of 2 is equal to, using trial and error method to find the value of x. Okay, p of 2 is equal to 2 cube plus 2 square minus 14 into 2 minus 24, which is equal to 2 cube value 8 plus 2 square 4 minus into plus minus, 14 2s are 28 minus 24. Okay, which is equal to 8 plus 4 is 12 minus 28 minus 24 is totally 52 minus 52. Okay, which is equal to 52 minus 12 is equal to 40. The greater value is sign is minus. Okay, minus 40. This is also not equal to 0. Therefore x minus 2 is not a factor. Okay, then find x is equal to minus 2. Okay, next substitute the x is equal to minus 2. P of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 the whole cube plus minus 2 the whole square minus 14 into minus 2 minus 24. All the x replacing by minus 2. Equal to minus power odd number is minus. So a 2 power 3 is 8. So minus 8. Minus power even number is plus. 2 power 2 is equal to 4. 2 squared is 4. Minus into minus plus. 14 2s are 28 is minus 24. Okay, minus 8 minus 24 totally minus 32 plus 4 plus 28 is equal to plus 32. Okay, which is equal to minus 32 plus 32 is 0. Okay, P of minus 2. Therefore, x plus 2 is a factor of P of x. Okay, next using the synthetic division method, using synthetic division method. Okay, write the coefficient of the polynomial. The coefficient of polynomials are 1, 1, minus 14, minus 24. Okay, then the x value is minus 2, then 0. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1, minus into plus minus, 1 2s are 2. Then 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus into minus plus, 2 1s are 2. Okay, minus 14 plus 2 is minus 12, minus into minus plus, 2 12s are 24. Okay, 0. Remainder is 0. Therefore, the P of x is x cube plus x square minus 14x minus 24 is equal to, the first factor is x minus x plus 2. The factor is, one of the factor is x plus 2. Then the quotient. So x square minus x minus 12. Okay, which is equal to x plus 2. Here using the factorization, 1 plus into minus minus, 1 12s are 12. Then the middle of value is minus 1. Okay, the same 3 4 and also minus 4. Plus into minus minus, 3 4s are 12. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. The coefficient of x squared is 1. So no need to divide the factors. Okay, so this is for x plus 3. This is for x minus 4. Therefore, x cube plus x square minus 14x minus 24 is equal to the minus value x minus 4 and x plus 2, then x plus 3. Okay, that's all the answer of the fourth subdivision. Have you understood? In this manner, you do the fifth and sixth subdivision. The two questions also your homework. Okay. Okay, dear students, today's homework, book page numbers 113 and 114, example 3.40, exercise 3.8, question number 1, second, fifth and sixth subdivision. Okay, using the synthetic division method, factorize the given polynomial. Thank you. God bless you.